everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I will tell you how you can create your own ultimate AI agent that is going to ease up your WhatsApp conversations. So first of all, let me tell you how this amazing AI agent is going to work in real time as per your customer, lead or client's point of view, okay? So this is my AI assistant, my WhatsApp AI assistant right here, and towards this bot, I have a question. Firstly, I'm going to write here, I need help, and then I will send this question towards this bot. I will wait for a few seconds for this bot to send me a reply. It says, I'm here to help. What specifically do you need assistance with? So now my first question over here is, does ClientNest CRM offer a free trial? ClientNest CRM is a business name, my business name. Okay, I've taken it just for an example. Okay, so let me ask this question towards this AI assistant. As soon as I've asked this question, I'll wait for a few seconds for the reply. I received it. Yes, ClientNest CRM offers a 14-day free trial. This allows you to explore its features and see how it fits your needs before making a commitment. Okay? So now I have another question. So my next question is, can I white label ClientNest CRM for my own brand? Okay, so this is my next question. I've asked this question towards this AI assistant. I will wait for the reply. And it says, yes, you can white label ClientNest CRM if you opt for the enterprise plan. This feature allows you to customize the CRM and reflect your own brand. Okay, so I have one last question from this AI assistant. That is, does ClientNest CRM offer a mobile app? What features are available there? Okay, so I have these two questions combined. I will ask this question towards this AI assistant. I will wait for the reply right here. And yes, you can see I've received the reply. Yes, ClientNest CRM offers a mobile app available for both Android and iOS. Here are some key features you can access through the app. Access contacts, push notification, add notes, sync calendar events, offline mode. Okay, you can see this bot is automatically replying to all my queries. And this bot is going to work 24/7 for your business. Just create it once and all your problems are solved. All the inquiries of your customers has been easily resolved without you lifting up your finger. And you might be wondering, it would have taken a lot of coding and programming skills for me to create this bot. Not at all. I just simply created this bot using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. Using Pabbly Chatflow, I've created this amazing AI assistant that is automatically resolving all the inquiries of my leads, customers or clients. Okay? So if you want to learn how this amazing AI assistant is going to work, then you have to stay with me till the end of this video and we are going to create this amazing bot for all of your businesses as well. Okay? So now what you need to do is, on a new tab, you have to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow. That is www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now on the landing page, you have two options. That is sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're an existing user like I am, directly sign in from here. But if you're a new user, what you need to do is sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay? I'm already a user, so I'm going to sign in. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section, where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. Now, as I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right here, and then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. So this is Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. Now, in order to create a new AI assistant, you have to go towards this AI assistant section right here. If you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, how you can add your number, you can learn about the features and how features works, you will find all the video links in the description section. You will find all the tutorials. Okay, so now to create an AI assistant, come on this page and click on this Add AI Assistant button right here. Firstly, we have to name our AI assistant. For the name over here, I'm going to give it as New AI Assistant. Then I'm going to add this AI assistant from here. As now this AI assistant has been added inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, we have to complete certain sections in order to create this AI assistant. First section is AI instructions. My instruction type is AI agent. You can also select other instruction type according to your requirement. Okay. This is the role and responsibility instructions section. Okay. So now if you want to add certain other rules and instructions to your AI agent that is going to be followed by it, you can add other points as well. But as you can see, as soon as you're going to select the type, instantly will find all the rules and instructions written over here. So I'm not going to edit it right now, but according to your business requirements, you can definitely edit it. Next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being what more focused replies from the AI agent towards customers, leads or clients, and 1 being more creative. I want the reply between 1 and 0. I want creative as well as focused replies. So I will select the temperature as 0.5. Okay. AI to use OpenAI model. I will use GPT-4 Omni. If you want, you can use other model as well. To have the API key, you will find it in your OpenAI account. And in order to use this AI assistant, you need to have a paid OpenAI account. Okay. With the help of the paid key, only this AI assistant is going to work. Okay. So to have the key, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk. You will land towards the API key section. Click on this create button. Over here, we have to first name the key. For the name of my key, I will give it as my key as the name. Okay. After that, for the project, I will select the default permissions, give all the permissions, create the key from here. Then simply copy this key from here, paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. This is how you will connect your OpenAI paid account with Pabbly Chatflow. Next is AI assistant setting. If you want header, footer messages, toggle these buttons on. Now it is stop keyword. So let's suppose any customer, lead or client want to stop this assistant from helping. Simply toggle this button on, enter your stop keywords right here. My first word is stop, so I'm going to add the stop word, press the enter key and the stop keyword is going to be saved. You can add as many stop keywords according to your requirement over here. Okay. If you want retry attempt, toggle this button on. Next is fallback message. So let's suppose your OpenAI key is not working properly, or your quota has been exceeded, something like that. Automatically this fallback message is going to be forwarded towards the customer, lead or client on WhatsApp from this AI assistant. You can edit this as well according to your requirement. Okay. First section, that is what AI instructions is completed. Next is knowledge source. That is the most important section of AI assistant. Knowledge source is a base, is a data, is a record from which this AI assistant is going to collect the details and is going to reply for you towards the client lead or the customer. Okay, so I have created a knowledge source right here. So my business name is Clientness CRM. You can see right here I've given a small paragraph and instruction of what my business is about, introduction, core, lead management. You can see I've mentioned everything in this document right here, in this knowledge source right here. Okay, this is just a dummy that I've created. You have to create a very detailed knowledge source about your business, with the help of which this AI assistant is going to reply to all your customers, leads or clients. Okay, so create a super detailed document right here, your knowledge base. Okay, you can add knowledge base in two format, that is PDF and TXT. If your PDF files has images, your PDF file length should be of 10 pages. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I will upload the file from here. This is the file, I will upload it. Okay, and automatically it will be uploaded right here. To find, you can see under knowledge sources, this is the file that has been uploaded. You can see the vector ID, that means the file has now been added. Okay, so now as this knowledge source is done, next is assistant interface. Assistant interface and this other section, that is styling, is going to help if you're going to add this assistant on your website. If you have a website of your business, you can add this AI assistant on your website as well. And these two sections are for that category. Okay, so now first is we have to name our AI assistant. My business name is what? Clientness CRM. So for my brand name, I'm going to enter Clientness CRM, and you can see the assistant interface has been changed right here. If you want to change this line, you want to remove this powered by Pabbly, if you want to add a footer text with the link, you have to add all the details. Over here, if you want to change the subheading name, you can do that. You can add two initial messages like right here. You can add one more over here. You can toggle enable disable it from here, powered by Pabbly. If you want a link, you can add text as well as the link right here. So now next is user's first message. What is the first message that you usually receive from your user end? That means your client, customer or your lead. Okay, so I received the message I need help, so I'm going to just leave that. If you want, you can change it as well. Okay, Next is styling. Now if you have a business, will have a business branding. Okay, you have certain colors, profile pictures, backgrounds, and as you're adding this AI assistant on your website, you need to change all those brandings. For that, simply you can add it through the styling option. You can add a theme, you can add the shape, colors, you can change the profile pictures, backgrounds of this AI assistant. Now this AI assistant is successfully created. So this is how simple it is to create your AI assistant. Now how you can activate this AI assistant. For that, simply toggle this button on and save it right here. Your AI assistant is successfully activated as well as saved inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now over here, if you want to use this AI assistant, you have to find the code. For that, simply go towards embedded, where you will find the script of this AI assistant, copy the script, add it on your website code, and this AI assistant is going to be added on your business website. Okay, so now we are going to test this AI assistant that we have created right now again. For that, towards this AI assistant on my WhatsApp, I am going to send a new message. Okay, so my first message is I need help. I'm going to send this message right here. As soon as I forwarded this message towards this bot, I will wait for the reply. It says, I'm here to help. Please let me know what do you need assistance with. So my next question is, does Clientness CRM currently support marketing automation or inventory tracking? So this is my first question. So as I've asked this question, I'll wait for the reply from this AI assistant. It says no. Clientness CRM is not suitable for marketing automation campaigns or inventory management. It focuses primarily on CRM functionalities like contact tracking, deal management, and client lifestyle insights. Okay, so this is the message reply that I've received. I have another question, that is, are there training videos or live sessions available? Okay, so I've asked this another question. I'll wait for the reply. Yes, Clientness CRM provides training videos for every major feature as well as a free onboarding walkthrough that can be live or recorded. Additionally, there are optional one-on-one training sessions available for enterprise clients. If you need more details or help or have other questions, just let me know. I have one last question to ask, that is, how can users contact Clientness CRM support? Okay, so let me ask this last question and I will wait for the reply. I have received the reply. It says users can contact Clientness CRM support through the channel. I've received the email address, I've received the phone number, live chat, help center, and the scheduled training sessions. Okay, so as you can see, this amazing AI assistant is replying to all my messages, my inquiries. That means this AI assistant has now been successfully created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So did you see how simple it was to create this AI assistant? What are you waiting for? This AI assistant right here is going to help your business to solve all the queries 24/7. You can sleep, but your work is still completed. Just create this amazing AI assistant once and your work is done forever. So go ahead, sign into Pabbly Chatflow, create your AI assistant and automate your WhatsApp conversations instantly and right away. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.